I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. Oh man, guys, you have to hear about this. Ford is about to shake up the motorhome world again. Yep, I'm talking about the upcoming 2026 Ford Mustang double-decker motorhome. I know, just saying that out loud sounds wild, Mustang and motorhome in the same sentence. But Ford has gone and done it, and honestly, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases we've seen in years. Now, I've been following the leaks, the spy shots, the rumors, all of it, and what Ford's planning here feels like the perfect mix between the spirit of adventure and pure American muscle. You know how the Mustang has always been about freedom. That feeling of the open road, the wind, the rumble of power under your feet. Well, now imagine that same feeling, but you're living in it, eating, sleeping, and traveling coast to coast, all powered by that Mustang DNA. So, let's talk about this design because, honestly, it's what first catches your eye. The 2026 double-decker looks unlike anything Ford's ever made. It's bold, sleek, and somehow still unmistakably a Mustang. The front grille has that signature aggressive Mustang look, those piercing LED headlights, the sculpted hood lines, but they've adapted it for the motorhome format in a surprisingly elegant way. It's aerodynamic, it's modern, and it's not just a box on wheels. The roofline flows, the panels are smooth, and the double-decker element gives it this futuristic, almost luxury bus vibe, like it's meant for long, stylish adventures. The top level is what really got everyone talking. It's not just for show, it's functional. The upper deck can be configured for sleeping space, a lounge, or even a panoramic glass observation area. Imagine parking at the edge of the Grand Canyon, or right beside the Pacific Coast Highway, and climbing up to your upper deck to sip coffee while watching the sunrise. That's the kind of magic Ford is going for here. And then there's what's hiding under the hood, or, I should probably say, under the entire chassis. Ford's moving into hybrid power territory for this one. They're calling it a TwinBoost hybrid drive, which combines a turbocharged V6 engine with dual electric motors. The result? Tons of torque, super smooth acceleration, and, get this, up to 35% better fuel efficiency than previous large RVs in Ford's lineup. But the coolest part is how it feels. It's quiet when you need it to be, like when you're rolling through campsites or national parks early in the morning, but it still gives you that Mustang growl when you want to hit the highway. And for those of us who love to go off-grid, Ford's thought about that too. The new model's being built on an off-road adaptive suspension system. It automatically adjusts the ride height depending on the terrain. Gravel, sand, mud, the double-decker can handle it. Plus, there's all-wheel drive, improved traction control, and even a trail assist mode that helps distribute power intelligently between the electric motors and the engine. In simple terms, this isn't a stay at the RV park kind of motorhome. This is go wherever you want, whenever you want. Now, step inside, because this interior, it's something else. You open those wide, smooth sliding doors, and immediately, it feels like stepping into a high-end apartment on wheels. There's this mix of premium leather and sustainable materials. Ford's really leaning into eco-friendly touches this time. The cabin lighting adjusts to your mood, and the massive panoramic windows make everything feel open and airy. The living space features modular furniture, meaning you can flip, fold, or shift pieces around depending on your needs. Hosting friends, expand the dining area, traveling solo, convert part of the lower deck into a home office or entertainment zone, and yes, Ford's integrated their latest Sync 6 infotainment system, which means full smart home control right from the dashboard. You can check your solar power levels, control climate zones, and even deploy or retract your awning with voice commands. And speaking of solar, the 2026 double-decker comes equipped with a high-output solar roof. Ford's designed it to generate enough energy to power the entire living area's essentials for up to 2 days: lights, refrigerator, water heater, all without running the generator. That's a huge win for campers who love going off-grid or just want a quieter, more eco-friendly experience. Now, a lot of people have been asking about price, and while Ford hasn't released the official numbers yet, early estimates are putting it in the $180,000 to $220,000 range depending on configuration. Yeah, that's not small change, but when you consider what it's packing, it actually lines up pretty well with luxury RVs and motorhomes in the same bracket. And, honestly, this thing looks like it could give some of those European models a real run for their money. Compared to past Ford motorhomes, like the transit-based RVs or the compact camper conversions, this is a massive leap forward. Those older ones were great for what they were: reliable, functional, easy to maintain, but the 2026 Mustang double-decker feels more like Ford saying, "Okay, let's redefine what a motorhome can be." It's blending lifestyle, technology, and performance in a way that's actually exciting again. Even the driving experience is said to be completely different. Thanks to the hybrid setup and that lower center of gravity, test drivers have described it as surprisingly nimble. Not words you usually hear about a two-story vehicle, right? But Ford's engineers have apparently nailed the balance. There's also a new heads-up display for the driver, which can project route info, terrain data, and energy stats right onto the windshield, so you're not constantly looking down at screens. One of my favorite rumored features, and this is so Ford, is something they're calling Mustang Mode. It's basically a driving profile that tweaks the sound system, lighting, and even the steering feedback to make the vehicle feel more like a classic Mustang GT when you're on the open road. Totally unnecessary, but come on, totally awesome. So yeah, from what we know so far, the 2026 Ford Mustang double-decker motorhome isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. It's saying that adventure can have style, that the thrill of the road doesn't stop when you park, and that performance doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or sustainability. If Ford delivers even half of what's being promised, this could easily become one of the most talked about vehicles of 2026. I can already imagine seeing one of these beasts rolling up at a campsite, double deck, Mustang badge gleaming in the sun, and everyone just stopping what they're doing to stare. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself cruising down Route 66 or camping by the coast in something like this? Because if this is where Ford is heading, the future of road trips just got a whole lot cooler. Make sure to drop your thoughts in the comments, because I'm super curious what you all think about this wild mix of power, design, and comfort. And hey, if you enjoyed this little deep dive into what Ford's cooking up for 2026, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and I'll keep you posted as soon as Ford gives us official specs or a release date. Until then, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and remember, the road's not just where you drive. It's where you live. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.